Imagine you have $0, no job, no savings, no plan. What would you do? Most people would panic. But what if I told you there is one AI strategy right now that can take you from zero to $10,000 a month? Stay with me. And if this sounds like something you needed to hear, hit subscribe before we go. AI is not the future anymore, it is the present. Millions of people are already using it to build real income, but most of them started with nothing. The difference? They picked one clear strategy and stayed consistent. That is exactly what this video is about. Let's start with step 1, but step 6 is what changes everything. Step 1, pick one skill. The first step is the hardest one. You have to pick just one thing, not 5, not 3, just one. Most beginners make the mistake of trying everything. That kills momentum before it even starts. Pick one AI skill: writing, design, automation, or research. One door, one focus. Step 2, use free AI tools. You do not need money to start. The tools are already free. ChatGPT, Claude, Canva AI, and others. They cost nothing to try. Use them every day. Learn how to give them good instructions. The better your prompts, the better your results. That is the skill the market is paying for right now. 3 facts. 1, AI freelancing is growing 40% per year. 2, most clients do not use AI themselves. 3, that gap is your opportunity. Step 3, find your first client. Do not wait until you feel ready. You will never feel ready. Go to LinkedIn, go to Upwork, go to local Facebook groups. Tell people what you can do. Your first client does not need to be perfect. They just need to exist. One client. That is all it takes to start. Deliver real value. When you get that first client, do not overthink it. Ask them what problem they have. Use your AI tool to help solve it. A blog post, a product description, a social media plan, something small and useful. Then do it faster and better than they expected. That is how you get a second client. Step 5, raise your rate. This is where most people stop. They get comfortable at $200, $300, and they stay there. But once you have proof that you deliver results, you can charge more. 500, 1,000, more. The rate goes up when the trust goes up. It is that simple. Step 6, build a system. At some point, you stop trading time for money. You build a small system. Templates, repeat clients, maybe a simple AI workflow that handles the basics for you. This is the moment the income becomes predictable, not passive, but predictable. And predictable feels like freedom. Here is the honest truth. Not everyone will make $10,000 a month. Some will make more, some will stop early. The strategy works, but only if you do. Some people argue that AI will replace freelancers completely. Others suggest that the demand for human-guided AI work is still growing fast. It is not fully clear yet which direction things will go. But what most experts agree on is this: the people who understand AI will always have an edge over the ones who do not. Think about what $10,000 a month actually means. For some people, that is total financial freedom. For others, it is just a side income that removes the stress of bills. And for some, it is the first time in their life they feel in control of their time. That is the real value here, not the number, the freedom. So let us bring it all together. Pick one AI skill. Use free tools to practice it. Get your first client, even a small one. Deliver real value. Raise your rate over time, and build a system that makes income predictable. That is the full path from $0 to $10,000 a month. Simple? Yes. Easy? No. Worth it? Absolutely. If you are starting from 0 today, I want you to know something. The path is real. The tools are there. The only question is whether you take the first step. If this video helped you think differently, subscribe and share it with someone who needs to hear it. And I will see you in the next one. The tools are free. The knowledge is out there. The only missing piece is you starting. You do not need to be an expert. You need to be one step ahead of your client. 0 is not a disadvantage. It is just the beginning of the story.